Welcome to Think Safe Insurance, where we specialize in helping real estate investors protect their investments with the right insurance coverage. Whether you have long-term buy and hold rentals, short-term vacation rentals, or fix and flips that are vacant under renovation, we've got you covered. We also handle flood insurance and can take care of your personal home and auto needs too. Insurance can be overwhelming, and as an investor, reducing expenses to maximize cash flow is key. That's why people choose us, because we make understanding your coverage options simple and easy. Our friendly and knowledgeable team takes the time to explain every detail, ensuring you feel confident in your choices. We combine this personalized approach with cutting-edge technology. With our app, you have access to your policy information 24/7. And our team is just a call or email away, ready to assist you during business hours. So whether you're looking for new coverage or reviewing your current policies, give us a call at 813-425-1626 or request a quote on our website, investors.thinksafeinsurance.com. When you think insurance, think safe.